Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Wells Fargo. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a wellsfargo.com and press enter. At the web page of Wells Fargo, you can see the login form where you need to provide your username and password. Then click on sign on where you will get logged in into your banking account of Wells Fargo. As we are going to get registered, we need to click on Enroll now. Here I have been directed to the another page, that is the sign up page, where you need to fill up the following details provided. Let's get started. Go in for providing your social security number or taxpayer identification number. If you don't have your SSN or ITIN, then you can click on the checkbox that is I don't have this number. Here you need to provide your ATM or debit card to continue. Then you go in for providing ATM or debit card account or loan number. After you fill both the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to another page and go in for following the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will get registered to the online banking account of Wells Fargo. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up into an online banking account on Wells Fargo. Thank you.